Hey, what's going on? Emmanuel here with Team Launchware and excited to introduce our brand new feature, which are called join pages. So this is a new feature that allows you to easily share your communities with people, whether that's a community or a membership, such as a course, a group program, even for one-on-one coaching. You're able to show a professional branded, we're calling it the join page, but essentially you have a hero section, so you can add different videos. As you can see here, we added 3 videos, but we could add images, combination of images and videos. But this is really where you tell them what your community or your membership is about. And if you want to share any testimonials, anything like that, you put it as the featured videos. And then below, you'll see it's got the name of the community or the membership. It's got your profile picture, your name here, or if it's multiple, then you can see we put Preston Emmanuel. It shows the members, so someone can just click view members, and this just will support in building social proof. And then over here, of course, you see 2 buttons to join. So if you're selling, let's say, a community, in this case, this is Launch Academy Elite. This is just a test program that we're creating, and someone clicks join today for 47. And as you can see, you get this side menu and someone can sign up. It shows them exactly what they're signing up for, and boom, now you have someone inside of your community. And then of course they can just scroll down and read more about it. They can, learn about the community, so you can write whatever you want here. But this allows you just a space to share maybe what is it, why is it important, and how they can, join the community and move towards their dream outcome. Then we have a floating banner at the bottom. So this is just another thing that just stays in their face. And then of course there's the mobile version of it. So when someone checks out the mobile version, you have essentially your logo. They're able to just click over here to either log in or join. And then they can swipe through the different images or videos. It's got your info, a join path, and then of course the description. And as of this recording, you don't see a button down here, but there is another one of these buttons down here. Then if someone just clicks, drops down and shows the payment information. So they can easily go from learning about your community, learning about your membership in your own branded portal, to joining and going straight into it. So with that said, I just want to show real quick where you need to go to be able to do this. So from your dashboard, you need to come over to the Business Builder. Inside of the Business Builder, if you don't see anything here, that means you just haven't created a business. Click the button, answer the couple questions, and unlock the entire Business Builder features. But it's within communities and it's within memberships. So with a community, if you have an existing community, you just click these 3 dots, and then you're going to go to Edit. If you don't have an existing community, you would go to Create. And then same concept for membership. If you have a course and that you're running it just through the membership feature, then the same thing. Either go edit the thing or create a new membership site. So I'm going to go ahead and hit edit, and then I'll open up the editor. And this is the community builder. If you've built a community, you already know the process for the community build, but we added a new page, a new step, and it's called the join page. So the first step is just the details about your community. This isn't a training about that, so I'm not going to go deep into that. You're going to hit continue. The next step, we're just going to design the community. So I'm inside of the second step. I need to get to the third step if I want to edit my join page. So I'll just come down here. This button currently says publish. It will just say continue, just so there's no confusion. And this continues on to the next step. And now this is the join page editor. When you come in here, you'll most likely see a blank page. We will be doing a quick update that will automatically have at least something that you can see, so sample data. But in this case, you will see it basically blank, and you just need to come here for the hero section and add content. So like for example, I'm gonna copy that, delete this. So at the beginning, it'd be something like this. So you're just gonna hit add, and let's do an image, for example. So I'm gonna upload an image. Here's a picture that I have, and then I'm gonna add another. Let's say I wanted a video now. I'll just take that video that I got from Preston's YouTube. Okay, cool. So now we have a hero image and then a hero video. I could add as many as I wanted. Then down here we have profile picture, so you can change whatever picture you want for the profile picture. And then you put the name. So in this case, you most likely put your full name. Then down here, we will do view sample. So we just show you what sample data looks like. sample information, a description. Easiest thing you could do is just tell chat, hey, this is what I'm doing. I have a community. I have this join page that I want to invite people to my community. Can you help me write a description? And then it'll write something like this. Boom, you can modify it. Of course, feel free to write it yourself, but just tell people what this is. You could follow the what is it, why should someone care or join, and how can they join. And this could also be a free community. As you see down here, we come down here and we say whether it's free or if it's paid. If it's free, not going to ask for pricing, of course, and these will just say join today. And then when they click join today, they'll be able to just go create their account and access your community. Whereas in this case, we're putting up a paywall, $47 a month, and the frequency gives you a lot of flexibility. You could do a one-time payment, you could do weekly, monthly, quarterly, which is every 90 days, and semi-yearly, which is every 6 months, and of course yearly. So you get to decide on that, and after you've done all that, you just hit launch, upload all your files, and then it'll take you to the community center page, which means you've already published the new version of your community or your membership, and now you have a join page. So all you need to do once you get to the community center or the command center for if you're doing membership is now when you go to your community URLs or your membership URLs, you'll see that you have a join page, a sign up page, and a login page. Sign up page is like the secret URL. You don't really want to share that with people. Login is of course where they're going to go to log in, but the join is the one that is important here because whenever we open this, it looks like this. So let me refresh so we see the updated information. So as you can see here, we have the updated info. Boom, I can click this, watch the video, no problem. Read about it, and if I want to join, boom, ready to join. So if you have a community, make sure you come and update and do this. Having this page will make it much, much easier if you don't want to do a webinar, if you don't want to launch in a kind of bigger scale way. This is an easy way to just share your link, have your pre-recorded videos, a description, and a way for someone to join. With that said, if you have any questions, send us an email at hello@launchroom.co or just hit contact support, and let's get it, y'all. Excited about this new feature.